What up, everyone? This is an advent calendar actually for 24 days during this Christmas and advent period. As I like to have a little bit of Christmas stream because I'm all around Christmas. I love Christmas so much. So I thought we can have just this little content here on TikTok and later on YouTube as well. And this is gonna concern Christmas holidays traditions, so still will be educational, but it will be really exciting to get ready for this holiday. Sweden had a very special tradition back in the pagan times. This was the Yule cult. However, by Christianity appearing, it sort of disappeared. Later on in 1966, it came back as Gable cult, and now it is 42 feet high, 23 feet wide, and actually weighs 3.6 tons. So we can say it's enormous. It is constructed at the same spot every year, and it's an amazing Swedish tradition that they never skipped since 1966. The Philippine special Christmas holiday, which is actually in San Fernando, that is the Giant Lantern Festival. As the name suggests, they have thousands of barrels which are actually lanterns that represent the stars of Bethlehem. And also they have a lot of other lights which illuminate the night sky of Bethlehem. They have some traditional meals as well and other traditions such as bamboos with purple rice, and also puto bonbons and colorful fruits and other rices. So this Lantern Festival, and with all this mean, the Philippines are a real color at Christmas. We are going to travel to Japan, where actually Christmas is held, even though it is an Asian country. And as we know, Asian countries do not really celebrate Christmas, or most of them do not. However, in Japan, since 1974, there is a Christmas tradition presented when people actually go to KFC. Their slogan is actually that Kentucky for Christmas. And it's very special, especially as they do not really have a Christmas, but they celebrate it with going to KFC. And today we're going to travel to the origin place of Santa Claus, which is actually Finland. They have a very cute holiday, which is actually in case of children. When they woke up, they eat rice and milk together, topped with cinnamon and milk or butter. And the parents put some almond inside, and those who find the almond inside actually win the game, who does it at first. And usually they only got one almond. However, some families put in more in order to make the children happy. After that, the Finnish people usually go to sauna. And today we are going to travel to a summer holiday in December because we are on New Zealand in case of Christmas holidays and traditions. They have these gatherings, grills and barbecues, which we usually will have around summer, but they have it in December, January, as the weather is the opposite of ours. They have seafoods, gatherings, fruits that harvested around that time. And New Zealand has this special Christmas tree, the Pohutukawa, which is actually really special. It's blooming in red and providing shade from the burning sun. And under this tree, New Zealand people actually sing in English and Maori, and these are Christmas carols usually. In a lot of countries, this is the day of Saint Nicholas, and in Austria, in Hungary, in Germany, this is actually celebrated. by children getting their boots out for Saint Nicholas, which is sort of our Santa Claus. And this tradition is mostly for children. The Santa Claus or Saint Nicholas decides if the children were good or bad. And if they were naughty, the Krampus will bring some kind of bad deeds for them. And if they were good, then they got nuts, apples, and oranges, some kind of fruit sweets. And today we will talk about the holiday of Barbados. They mostly have special meals, which actually concerns ham with pineapple and sorrel glazes. Also, they have a rum cake and a dish so-called jug jug, which is influenced by the Scottish. This meal has vegan peas, also Guinea corn flour, herbs, and salty meat on it. Our advent calendar, Poland, is coming. They have a special tradition with Opłatek, which is shared between each other. This is an unleavened religious wafer, and when they share it, they wish each other Merry Christmas. Dinner won't start until the first star appears on the night sky, at least traditionally. Also, they have an extra chair which is brought out in case somebody would come uninvited. Pagan holiday will come from Denmark, which is actually the superstitious characters which are called nissers. These are put out around the houses and supposed to defend the people there from the bad. This holiday was occurring as the pagan people thought the winter solstice caused some brighten and unbrighten things with sound. Also, Danish people put the Christmas tree in the middle of the room on the 24th of December and dance around it and sing carols around it. And today we will travel to Central America in our advent calendar, specifically to El Salvador and Jamaica, where people actually have fireworks at Christmas. Not at New Year's Eve, at Christmas. They celebrate Christmas with fireworks all around the country. Even children have it as well, which are so-called vulcanitos, little vulcans, and estrellitas, which are little stars. So everyone is all around fireworks. And today we will talk about Portuguese-speaking countries, specifically Portugal and Brazil. People here actually have a dinner or a supper more like at 10 p.m. So very late at night. And after this, exactly at midnight, they open the presents, they wish each other Merry Christmas, and after that they go to Mass. They have this thing, because it's our question, obviously these countries were originally Christian, and in the Masses they meet with neighbors and extended family. Also, just like in Jamaica and El Salvador, they also have fireworks in town square. And today we will have a calendar making holiday. This holiday is in Switzerland. They make their own calendars and children have their biggest presents on the 24th of December. So actually at Christmas Eve. Also, Swiss people have special two Santa Clauses. One of them which is similar to Austria. This is on December the 6th, which is Saint Nicholas. And the other one is Smutsli. He is actually the opposite of Santa Claus. And in appearance and in behavior as well, he is coming to deter the children who were naughty.